HPS lights have long been the industry standard, even now it's the best for the grower's application and budget. Because it can bring steady yields. As the technology limitations. The HPS lights convert 66% into heat, only deliver 34% light output. It cannot increase efficiency to come up with cost saving or increase higher light intensity, or control the lighting spectrum. The HPS lights have limited the controlled environment agriculture development. Horticulturalists generally follow a 1% rule. For most crops, 1% more light means 1% more yield. But how do we get more light without any electricity increase? The best solution is switch from HPS lights to LED lights. For the present, the LED technology can deliver up to 82% light output and only converts 18% into heat. Based on this LED technology, G12 LED lights can easily deliver over 50% light output. That means our G12 LED lights deliver 16% more light than the HPS lights at the same wattage. Our G12 LED lights' photosynthetic photon efficacy is up to 3.2 micromoles per joule, which is higher than the HPS lights' 1.9 micromoles per joule. It means the G12 LED lights increase 56% efficiency than the HPS lights at the same photosynthetic photon flux density. The LED lights can bring a significant saving in HVAC costs and a lower electrical bill by its higher efficiency and lower heat. G12 LED light is a revolutionary product. It not only have the higher efficiency than the HPS light but also is one of the most compact 1000 watt LED fixture. By the utilizing secondary optics design, it can direct one-to-one replacement from the HPS light by its great canopy access and superior canopy penetration. It is suitable for vigorous growth and optimal flower development growing stages. In addition, it can use in both greenhouse and indoor cultivation environments with the IP66 rating or wet location waterproof design.